Hey there, traders. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a brand new trading indicator that's been making waves on the TradingView platform. The fair value gaps mitigation oscillators. You can see it's so fresh that not so many traders even know about this gem as of today. I'm recording this video and it's suitable for trading on the vast majority of pairs like crypto, Forex, indices, you name it. So what exactly is this oscillator all about? Well, let's break it down step by step. The fair value gaps mitigation oscillator is designed to help us gauge market sentiment by analyzing fair value gaps, or VGs. But what are FVGs, you ask? Fair value gaps are essentially imbalances in the market that signal strong sentiment in a particular direction. For instance, an upward FFG during an uptrend indicates a bullish sentiment, suggesting that buyers are willing to pay higher prices without much resistance. When a FVG forms, it's like a spotlight on the strength and continuation of a trend. It tells us that there's significant demand, supply pushing the market in a specific direction. Let's talk about how the fair value gaps mitigation oscillator works. The oscillator values are expressed as percentages ranging from 1 to 1. This range indicates the degree to which FAGs are mitigated or unmitigated. With the VG is scaled to fit within this range with a maximum potential value of 100 and a minimum of 0. The higher the value, the stronger the trend indication. But here's where it gets interesting. We can use crosses of two exponential moving averages and massive lengths of 50 and 100 to confirm our signals. Let's go to my chart and see what it is all about. I know you are scratching your head saying TradingView's free version only lets me use 2 indicators. You know that, but here's the secret. Let's first add the fair value gaps mitigation oscillator. Now it's time to add this baby here, 10 and 1 moving averages. Just follow the steps as I'm doing right about now. Quick heads up. When the 50 EMA crosses above the 100 MA, or let's say when a golden cross occurs, it's a bullish signal. Conversely, when the 50 MA crosses below the 100 EMA, it's a bearish signal or death cross. Sorry, I know you'd probably know all of these, but hey, let's be supportive of our rookie friends too. Welcome aboard our crypto arc where dreams meet freedom. Join us on this journey as we empower crypto believers with knowledge and tools to achieve their goals. And guess what? We're just getting started in this world of endless possibilities. Click the link below to join us now. Enjoy 0 fees on spot trading for the first 30 days and a chance to win up to 30,000 USDT in deposit rewards. Join Bybit today and ride the wave of crypto success. Let's say we're in an uptrend and we get a bullish crossover of the EMS, along with a strong unmitigated FVG forming on our oscillator. That's a powerful confirmation that the trend is likely to continue upward. Conversely, the same scenario is working for short trades as well. Now let me show you just a glimpse of 100 times back testing and forward testing this powerful strategy, and shortly after sharing the results with you. Unlock your trading potential with FundedX. If you're ready to elevate your trading game to new heights, look no further than Funded Next, the ultimate platform for promising traders worldwide. Trade up to $300,000 on a Funded Next account and earning up to 95 the profits. Sounds enticing, right? But that's just the beginning. With Funded Next, you're not just trading. You're paving your way to success alongside a community of over 81,000 funded traders spanning across 195 countries. What sets Funded Next apart? Let me break it down for you. Profit sharing from challenge phase, profit sharing right from the get-go. Yep, you heard it right. We're the only prop firm offering this, giving you that extra push to reach the top. Say goodbye to trading under pressure. With Funded Next, you trade at your own pace with no deadlines hanging over your head. Trade with peace of mind thanks to our intelligent drawdown calculations. No unnecessary stress, just smooth sailing towards your trading goals. Enjoy the best trading conditions in the game with Funded Next. You get raw spreads and the lowest commissions, ensuring every trade works in your favor. Guaranteed payouts. Worried about when you'll get. Don't pay with our 24-hour payout guarantee. Your earnings will hit your account within a day. And if we ever miss the mark, we'll top up your payout with an extra $1,000. Ready to embark on your journey towards trading success? Join Funded Next today and unleash your trading potential like never before. Contact us now to kickstart your adventure. Don't miss out on this opportunity by clicking the link above or down in the description to be part of a dynamic community shaping the future of trading. The world of trading is yours for the taking. Seize it with Funded Next. And hey, don't forget about risk management. Proper position sizing and leverage are crucial to keeping your trading account healthy. So there you have it, folks. The fair value gaps mitigation oscillator paired with EMIS can be a potent tool in your trading arsenal. Remember to use it alongside other indicators and risk management strategies for the best results. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe to our channel for more trading tips and let us know in the comments what indicators you'd like us to cover next. Happy trading, and we'll see you in the next video.